A quick review of the Katapult by Klein Tools. It's just a regular hand-sized stripper, but here's where it's cool. Right there on the left, it clamps the wire. You put it in the proper gauge opening. Then you squeeze. Oh, and that's it. Unreal. Makes stripping wire a breeze. Doesn't damage the wire inside. And you can see on the left here, it's held nicely in position. That's it. Snaps back into place. Katapult. This is a tool you didn't know you needed, but you really do. Replaceable jaws or cutting edges. It's fantastic. Klein Tools Katapult. Awesome.